$7 Affiliate Marketing Course, Legendary Marketer Crux, Facts vs. Features. Affiliate Marketing with Legendary Marketers $7 Course Roadmap. Are they money traps or the secrets to transform your online business and skyrocket your income? Let's compare the real facts and market features. Fact number 1, Legendary Marketers affordable $7 course cover essential topics like traffic generation, email marketing, and sales funnel optimization. Learn from the experts without breaking the bank. Controversy alert: can a $7 course really deliver results? Skeptics may doubt the value, but the proof is in the pudding. Countless students have experienced growth in their businesses after implementing Legendary Marketers strategies. Reason number 1, expert-crafted curriculum. Legendary Marketers $7 course are designed by industry-leading experts to ensure you receive cutting-edge information and strategies. Reason number 2, on-demand access. Learn at your own pace with Legendary Marketers online platform. Access the courses anytime, anywhere, and start applying the knowledge immediately. Fact number 2, Legendary Marketers $7 course is just the tip of the iceberg. You can try their advanced programs and mentorships to take your online business to new heights. Controversy alert: are low-cost courses devaluing the online marketing education industry? While some may argue that quality comes at a price, Legendary Marketer proves that top-notch education can be both accessible and affordable. Start slow and advance as you make dollars. Reason number 3, active community. Join Legendary Marketers' thriving community of like-minded entrepreneurs. Network, collaborate, and share your success stories with fellow marketers. Reason number 4, continuous updates. Stay ahead of the curve with regular updates to Legendary Marketers courses. Keep your marketing strategies fresh and relevant in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Fact number 3, Legendary Marketers $7 course is perfect for beginners and seasoned marketers alike. Whether you're just starting or looking to expand your skill set, this course will refresh your strategies. Controversy alert: can $7 course replace comprehensive marketing education? While they offer a solid foundation, the Legendary Marketer ecosystem provides even more in-depth training and resources for those who are serious about their online business success. Feature number 5, money-back guarantee. Legendary Marketer stands by the value of their courses. If you're not satisfied with $7 course, you can request a full refund within specified time. Feature number 6, case studies and success stories. Learn from real-life examples of successful affiliate marketers who have built thriving businesses using Legendary Marketers strategies. Apply their insights to your own journey and fast-track your success. Fact number 4, Legendary Marketers $7 course have been praised by industry leaders and influencers. Feature number 7, actionable steps and assignments. Don't just passively consume content. Legendary Marketers $7 course provide actionable steps and assignments to help you apply what you've learned and see real results. Feature number 8, comprehensive quizzes and assessments. Test your knowledge and understanding with Legendary Marketers quizzes and assessments. Ensure you've mastered the material before moving on to more advanced topics. Fact number 5, Legendary Marketers $7 course is designed to be easily digestible and concise. Get straight to the point and learn practical, results-driven strategies without any fluff. Controversy alert: are $7 courses too good to be true? Some might argue that low-cost courses can't provide real value, but Legendary Marketers' proven track record and satisfied students beg to differ. Feature number 9, exclusive bonuses. Unlock additional resources, tools, and discounts by signing up for Legendary Marketers $7 courses. Gain access to even more valuable content that will supercharge your online marketing journey. Controversy alert: can low-cost courses like Legendary Marketers $7 offerings really rival expensive, high-ticket programs? While some argue that you get what you pay for, countless students have found massive value in these affordable courses. Feature number 10, compatibility with various niches. Whether you're in e-commerce, digital marketing, or content creation, Legendary Marketers $7 course can help you refine your strategies and boost your online presence. Feature number 11, scalable strategies. Learn tactics that can be adapted to your growing online business. Legendary Marketers provides scalable strategies that can be applied at any stage of your marketing journey. Legendary Marketers aims to not only teach you about affiliate marketing but also help you develop essential entrepreneurial skills like time management, goal setting, and project planning. But is the influx of low-cost marketing courses leading to an oversaturated market? Some argue that the abundance of affordable courses might make it harder for aspiring marketers to choose the best program for their needs. Share your thoughts in comments section.